Jersey Governor Phil Murphy says the state is making progress in the COVID-19 battle, but the Garden State is not close to even considering claiming victory. Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan is in Washington Township with more on what the governor had to say today and some news about testing sites. Cleve?
Well, today, some of the states that are working together in our region had a meeting, and they are talking about that strategy for reopening, which still remains weeks away. But there are efforts underway to expand testing as well as contact tracing in New Jersey.
Despite more than 3,500 new cases and 300 deaths, New Jersey continues to see the spread of COVID-19 remain flat, as more patients are heading out than into hospitals. Governor Phil Murphy says reopening the state, though, remains at least several weeks off, even as a 7-state regional council met for the first time Wednesday to strategize. A tri-state collaboration between New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut also met and announced plans for a joint contact tracing program that will train new personnel and incorporate cutting-edge technology to isolate future COVID-19 outbreaks.
We all recognize that robust contact tracing, in addition to that testing protocol, is vital to any serious reopening efforts.
Despite Murphy's continued calls for federal help to expand COVID-19 testing, there are now 86 public and private testing sites open in the state. In South Jersey, Camden County is getting ready to open a third public site next week.
We've been able to increase testing drastically over the past few weeks, and this is something that is sorely needed.
Officials say in all, Camden County is approaching capacity to test about 500 people per day, and they've trained an additional 30 employees on how to do contact tracing.
So we're putting as much effort and resources as we possibly can into that process, and so far it's working pretty well.
State officials say that all of this contact tracing and testing infrastructure needs to be in place when they reopen in case there is a spike in new cases. And also today, they were talking about the possibility of a very strong second surge of the coronavirus next winter. Reporting live in Washington Township, Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.